So I got my Craftsman crate for this month. Hopefully you all can hear my voice. I'm going to add a lot of music to kind of top it off. So let's open this up. Let's see what we got. Right on the front, it tells us the Crackle Paint Crate. And we'll put this to the side. It's from my favorite company, Decor. Chalky finish, weathered wood, chalky finish lace, Duraclear. Now I did a whole video on Duraclear. It's got a couple of a brush and a sponge rack. Look, a candlestick, a little cup, a picture frame. Still see more stuff in here. Another sponge, not sure what to do with that. I'm digging things out of there. This is probably a practice piece of wood. Oh, gloves. Leave-ins in the gloves. And I think that's it. It says it has the Crackle Paint, chalky finish pins with white and dark, ultra matte finish, varnish, chip brush, foam brush, practice wood frame, wood candlestick, paint cups, sanding sponge, and gloves. And this is something I have never done before, Crackle paint. So basically going to create projects that look aged and antique are really made of new materials. And this will be something really cool. This is a painting technique I've never done before. And so this is really, really cool. So thank you again to Nelson or DJ Tuning for sending this crate to me. Really appreciate it. And to now, happy abandoning.